A sanctuary unveiled. Maya Bay. Maya Bay, a name that resonates with the essence of untouched beauty and serene landscapes. The name itself conjures up images of paradise. Imagine a place where the water is so clear, it mirrors the sky, and the sand is so white, it feels like walking on clouds. Hidden away in Thailand, it's a place that has captured the imaginations of millions. Nestled among towering cliffs, this secluded cove offers a sense of peace and tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere. Made famous by the movie The Beach, Maya Bay is more than just a stunning location. It's a sanctuary. The film showcased its ethereal beauty, drawing visitors from all corners of the globe, eager to experience its magic firsthand. A place where the natural world takes center stage. The lush greenery, the dramatic cliffs, and the vibrant marine life create a harmonious ecosystem that thrives in this protected haven. But Maya Bay is not just about breathtaking beauty. It's a living testament to the delicate balance between nature and human intervention. It's a testament to the power of conservation. Efforts to preserve its pristine condition have been paramount, ensuring that future generations can also bask in its splendor. Once overrun with tourists, the bay was closed off, allowing nature to heal. This period of closure was crucial, giving the ecosystem a chance to recover and flourish once more. Now it's open again, but with a focus on sustainable tourism. Visitors are encouraged to respect the environment, ensuring that their presence does not disrupt the natural balance. Today, we journey to this legendary bay. As we approach by boat, the anticipation builds, and the first glimpse of the bay is nothing short of breathtaking. We'll explore its shores, marvel at its beauty, and discover why it's considered the best beach in the world in 2024. The soft sands, the gentle waves, and the serene atmosphere make it a perfect escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Join me as we step onto the sands of Maya Bay, a place where dreams meet reality. Here, every moment feels like a scene from a postcard, and every step leaves an imprint on your soul. Whether you're here to relax, explore, or simply take in the views, Maya Bay offers an experience unlike any other. So let's embark on this journey together and uncover the hidden gems of this tropical paradise. Our adventure begins in a long-tail boat, the traditional Thai vessel. These boats, with their distinctive long, narrow shape and colorful decorations, have been used by local fishermen for generations. Today, they carry eager travelers on a journey to one of the most beautiful places on Earth. The air is thick with anticipation. Faces light up with excitement, eyes wide with wonder as the boat glides over the gentle waves. Each person on board is filled with a sense of adventure and the promise of discovery. Tourists from around the world, all drawn to this magnetic place, buzz with excitement. Cameras click, capturing moments that will become cherished memories. Conversations in various languages fill the air, creating a symphony of human connection. The boat cuts through the turquoise water, leaving a frothy white trail in its wake. The sea is so clear that you can see the vibrant marine life below, a kaleidoscope of colors dancing beneath the surface. As we approach the bay, the limestone cliffs draped in lush greenery begin to reveal themselves. The anticipation is palpable. These towering formations, carved by nature over millennia, stand as silent guardians of this paradise. The engine sputters and falls silent. Suddenly, we're there. The silence is almost reverent, broken only by the gentle lapping of the waves against the boat. It's a moment of pure magic. Maya Bay unfolds before us, a vision of ethereal beauty. The cliffs encircle the bay like protective arms, and the water is a shade of blue that seems almost unreal. It's even more stunning than any photograph could capture. The sheer beauty of this place takes your breath away, leaving you in awe of nature's artistry. This is Maya Bay, a true paradise on Earth. We wade ashore, the warm, crystal-clear water lapping at our ankles. It's like stepping into a postcard, a surreal landscape of unbelievable beauty. The sand is soft and white, like powdered sugar beneath our feet. Towering cliffs, cloaked in vibrant green vegetation, encircle the bay, creating a sense of seclusion and tranquility. The air is alive with the sounds of nature, the gentle lapping of waves, the rustling of leaves, the calls of exotic birds. This is Maya Bay, a place where time seems to stand still. The water is mesmerizing, an impossible shade of turquoise that seems to glow from within. Small fish dart through the shallows, their scales catching the sunlight. The clarity is astounding. You can see the ocean floor with perfect detail. It's tempting to just stand here, transfixed by the beauty of it all, but there's so much more to explore. We venture further into the bay, drawn deeper into its embrace. Section 5. Sands of Time. The sand beneath our feet tells a story. It's a story of time and tide, of erosion and rebirth. Tiny shells, polished smooth by the relentless ocean, are scattered like jewels. We walk along the shoreline, mesmerized by the patterns etched in the sand. Each ripple, each swirl, a testament to the power of nature's artistry. The sand whispers secrets of the sea. Section 6. The Silent Guardians. The limestone cliffs that encircle Maya Bay are more than just a stunning backdrop. They are silent guardians, protecting this sanctuary from the outside world. Covered in dense vegetation, they are home to a diverse ecosystem. We gaze up at their imposing heights, their rough edges softened by a tapestry of green. These cliffs have witnessed the passage of time, their stoic presence a reminder of the enduring power of nature. Section 7. Nature's Masterpiece. As we walk, we can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. Maya Bay is a masterpiece, a testament to the artistry of nature. Every element, from the towering cliffs to the tiniest grain of sand, is perfectly placed. The sunlight, filtering through the leaves, creates a dappled effect on the forest floor. Butterflies flutter through the air, their wings like stained glass windows. This is nature at its most pristine and inspiring. Section 8. A Symphony of Tranquility. A sense of peace washes over us as we explore. The air is clean and fresh, carrying the scent of salt and sea. The only sounds are the gentle lapping of waves and the chirping of birds. This is a place to reconnect with nature, to escape the noise and chaos of everyday life. In the tranquility of Maya Bay, we find a sense of serenity that is both restorative and profound. Section 9. Guardians of Eden. Maya Bay's beauty is not accidental. It's the result of dedicated conservation efforts. After years of unchecked tourism, the bay was closed to allow its ecosystem to recover. Today, access is carefully controlled. Limited numbers of visitors are permitted each day, and strict regulations are in place to minimize environmental impact. These efforts are paying off. The bay is thriving. Section 10. Reflections in the Sand. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the beach, we pause to reflect on our experience. Maya Bay is more than just a beautiful place. It's a symbol of hope. It's a reminder that even in a world facing environmental challenges, there are still places of extraordinary beauty and tranquility. Places where nature's resilience shines through. Section 11. Maya Bay, a legacy of wonder. Nestled in the heart of Thailand, this breathtaking bay is a sanctuary of natural beauty and tranquility. Leaving Maya Bay is bittersweet. As we wave goodbye, we are filled with a sense of longing and nostalgia. We carry with us the memories of its beauty, the stunning vistas that have been captured in countless photographs and videos, the feel of the sand between our toes, a sensation that connects us to the earth and the timeless rhythms of nature, the sound of the waves crashing against the shore, a soothing symphony that lulls us into a state of peace and reflection. Maya Bay is more than just the best beach in the world in 2024. It's a legacy that speaks to the enduring allure of nature's wonders. It's a place that will stay with us long after we've left its shores. The memories we create here are etched into our hearts and minds, a place that inspires us to protect our planet and all its wonders. The efforts of volunteers and tourists alike show a commitment to preserving this paradise for future generations, a place that reminds us of the power of nature to heal, to inspire, and to bring us together. As the sun sets over Maya Bay, we are reminded of the cycles of life and the beauty of each moment, and to take our breath away. The grandeur of Maya Bay leaves an indelible mark on all who visit, a testament to the awe-inspiring power of the natural world. Local guides share stories and legends, enriching our experience and deepening our connection to this magical place. Families and friends gather here, creating memories that will be cherished for a lifetime. The laughter of children and the joy of togetherness fill the air. Couples find romance in the serene beauty of the bay, walking hand in hand along the shore, lost in the moment. Friends embark on adventures exploring the hidden corners of the bay, their excitement and camaraderie palpable. As we leave Maya Bay, we take with us not just memories, but a renewed sense of wonder and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. This is the legacy of Maya Bay, a legacy of wonder that will